Aarav was a boy who always felt that his life was full of complications. He worked hard but never seemed to achieve success. His mother often told him, "Son, learn to keep your things organized. It will help you solve your problems." But Aarav found this advice meaningless. One day, while returning from school, he noticed his neighbor uncle. Every day, the uncle neatly arranged his shoes. Curious Aarav asked, "Uncle, why do you take so much care in arranging your shoes? After all, they are just shoes." The uncle smiled and said, "Aarav, the row of shoes reflects our mindset. When I arrange them properly, my thoughts stay organized. But if I leave them scattered, my entire day feels chaotic." Aarav ignored his word, but when he got home, something felt different. For the first time, he decided to place his shoes neatly. Gradually, the mess in his room also started bothering him. He began organizing his belongings. A few months later, he had to participate in a big speech competition. While preparing, he realized that his mind was calm and his plan was clear. He won the competition. After returning home, he went to his uncle and said, "Uncle, you were right. My row of shoes has helped organize my entire life."